JJ Education. In today's video, I am going to talk about one of MBA specialization, and that is MBA in Healthcare Management. See, I have already uploaded so many videos related to different MBA specialization. So if you missed up with that video, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description, or else you can also click on this I button. ऐसे बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे कमेंट किया था कि मैम प्लीज अपलोड वीडियो रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ केयर मैनेजमेंट. सो फॉर यू गाइज आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस वीडियो. आई होप आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो you will be clear regarding all your doubts. Alright, so let me begin with today's video. Sorry. Basically, MBA in Healthcare Management is a 2 years post-graduation program. See, this particular specialization is mainly designed for making professionals in healthcare industry. It deals with for making management students in healthcare companies. ऐसे बहुत सारी healthcare companies in nowadays who continuously require students having the expertise in management. So, because of that, career opportunities will be more and more in this specialization. Alright? See, if you have opted healthcare management as a specialization, then you will be responsible for the management duties in hospitals, in pharmaceutical industries, as well as in any other healthcare companies. Alright? अगर आप ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हो जो अपना करियर हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री में बनाना चाहते हो, as well as if you are a student having a little bit knowledge regarding hospital administration as well as leadership skill, then this specialization is going to be best option for you. Alright? So this is all about what is MBA in healthcare industry. अब हम बात करते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के बारे में. If you want to get admission in MBA healthcare industry, then you have to clear your graduation with minimum 50% score from any field from any recognized university. Other than that, you have to crack one MBA entrance exam such as CAT, XAT, CMET, SNAP, NMET, and one. On the basis of your score in MBA entrance exam, colleges will call out you for the further process, that is personal interview and group discussion. And on the basis of your performance in both these things, you can get admission. मैंने ऑलरेडी टॉप MBA हेल्थ केयर मैनेजमेंट की जितनी भी कॉलेजेस है उसकी लिस्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है. सो आप वहाँ जाके वॉच आउट कर सकते हो कि ऐसे कौन कौन सी कॉलेजेस है जो ये स्पेशलाइजेशन को प्रोवाइड करती हैं. अब हम बात करते हैं सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में कि इफ़ यू हैव ऑप्टेड दिस स्पेशलाइजेशन देन विच टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स यू विल लर्न. सो यू विल लर्न सब्जेक्ट कॉल्ड planning and designing of healthcare facilities, essentials of healthcare administration, hospital operation, customer-centric organization, quality management in hospitals, HR in hospitals, material management, legal aspects of healthcare, and healthcare equipment management. These are the different subjects that you will learn if you have opted this one specialization. At last हम बात करते हैं very most important topic के बारे में, that is career opportunities. कि if you have done MBA in healthcare management, then which type of career opportunities will going to be open for you. So don't worry about it. You have a tremendous career opportunities as nowadays healthcare industries has been increased very rapidly. Alright, so ऐसी बहुत सारी well known companies है जहाँ आप recruitment पा सकते हो. आपकी सैलरी, अगर मैं आपकी सैलरी की बात करूँ, देन इट विल वराई फ्रॉम 2 to 10 lakhs एंड इट इज टोटली डिपेंड ऑन योर एक्सपर्टाइज इन योर कंपनी और इन हॉस्पिटल्स. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं कि अगर आपने कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में एंटर कर ही लिया है, देन विच टाइप ऑफ जॉब प्रोफाइल यू कैन गेट. सो यू कैन बी हॉस्पिटल CEO, यू कैन बी हॉस्पिटल CFO, हेल्थ केयर इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजर, फिजिशियन रिलेशन मैनेजर, other than that assistant operation manager, hospital administration, medical practice manager, and claims manager. These are the different job profile that you can get after completing MBA in healthcare management. Okay guys, so here I am done with scope of doing MBA in healthcare sector. Still, if you have any confusion related to any concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to provide you my reply as soon as possible. अदर दैन दैट आप मेरी जो इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक आईडी की लिंक है वहाँ जाके भी मुझे क्वेश्चन आस्क कर सकते हो. मैंने ऑलरेडी मेरी ये जो सोशल मीडिया की लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है. सो प्लीज फॉलो माई पेज, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, ऑल्सो प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर गेटिंग वीडियोज रिलेटेड टू डिफरेंट करियर एडवाइस. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.